Yo, what's going on, Gromies? We back with another one. Another one, yes indeed. Let's get this thing started, man. Let's get this thing started. Right here we got the beautiful Giggle gas, pheno 1. She's looking pretty good. It's super hot out today, like stupid hot out today. It's in the hundreds, so she looks a little bit of down. We're having like a crazy heat wave out here in Cali, you know what I mean? But it's all good. Hopefully the phone doesn't overheat. But yeah, check her out, man. She's looking good. Train her up a little bit at the bottom. You know what I mean? She got plenty of water because I watered her this morning. So the droopy leaves, yeah, so it's the droopy leaves is just because the damn heat. But I mean, she's still, I ain't that droopy, but you know what I'm saying? I guarantee without the heat, she looks a little bit more perked up. But yeah, this is how she's looking. This is how she's looking. Should we get an angle from her? Let's get another angle. That's how she's looking. Got the bays on the back. I mean, a few other plants in the back right here. But yeah, she's looking good, looking good. Little side quest plant. The watermelon for nutrients, you know what I mean? But yeah, the Giggle gas. Giggle gas, #1. Soulfire Gardens. Shout out to Soulfire Gardens. But yeah, she looks fucking nice. She got way bigger. I'm trying to keep these plants like small, but they're just doing what they do. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, that's the Giggle gas for you. Giggle gas #1. Yeah, she's a banger. She's a banger. Yeah, she looked good at the top, right here. And it's probably like 12 o'clock, so it's about to get hotter. And this week it's about to be like 106, 104, 105, like 4 or 5 days of hundreds. Yeah, she looks fucking nice. But yeah, this is a Soulfire Gardens Giggle gas strain #1, because I got another one in here too. But all right, y'all, on to the next. And right here we got the 100K or 100,000, whatever you want to call it, from Exotic Genetics. She's looking good. Spin around with her. Yeah, this is why I like growing in buckets, man. Like, it's just perfect size. I don't like bro, sometimes when the plants get too big, it becomes like not fun. It's just a lot of work. And you know, I don't spray my plants at all, so you know, a lot of people who have big plants, they spray their plants, so they don't got to put in that work. I don't spray, bro. I buy plants to take care of the bugs, you know what I mean? So yeah, we don't, on this channel, we don't spray nothing, man. I don't care what anyone tries to tell me in the comments. Neem oil is not good. It's not supposed to be sprayed on your plants. If you know, you know. That's just some goofy stuff. Personally, that's personally how I feel. You know what I'm saying? So if you're watching this and you spray your plants with neem oil, hey man, that's my opinion. You feel me? But yeah, this is real organic. You know what I'm saying? These plants helping out each other is what you call organic. You know what I mean? I gave it a little bit of 444 and worm castings yesterday, so it's probably gonna take maybe like 3 days, but it'll get a little bit greener. And then in about maybe 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, maybe about like a week, I'll throw in a little watermelon slice in there, because we have reached the budding stage on this one. So now it needs, you know what I'm saying, some whole fruits, some apples, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying. It needs the fruit for the sugar. Bananas, fruits, the watermelons, you know what I mean? You know, people watching this probably like, bro, what are you talking about? Trust me, man, it needs fruit to fruit. I know it's probably hard to understand what I'm saying, but just know it needs fruit to fruit. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, 100K from Exotic Genetics. Real organics. Real organics. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful plant. On to the next one. This is the Flitter glitter from Exotic Genetics. Jeez. On this super hot day, it's still looking good. That lets me know that this Flitter glitter genetic, it loves the heat. That's all it means, it loves the heat. Beautiful plant, beautiful plant. Look at the inside. You know what I'm saying? I cleaned it up pretty good. It's probably gonna need another cleaning though. Very, very soon here. Like I said, I like to keep the maintenance simple, easy. I just want to have a bunch of nice tops on all my plants. This way I don't gotta worry about taking care of whatever I really can't see, you know what I'm saying? That's just personal preference. If I say personal, whatever the heck that means. Okay. Got the mints. Got the mints. Keeping the bugs away. This plant is bugless, bug free. Got my rosemary, chamomile, marigolds, and zinnias. Yeah, this whole plant, all these plants is bug free, man. No sprays, no silly business, you know what I mean? Just straight, real care. Yeah, I love organics too much, man. I love organics too much. I don't even like hydroponic, man. That just reminds me of like dispo herb or something. I need that earth flavor. That's one thing about hydro you'll never get, is that soil earth flavor, whatever you want to call it. I love that flavor in my herb, man. Yeah, anything that resembles anything that you would be messing with at, like at a dispo, I just stay away from it. I feel like, heck nah. Why would I want that? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to... All my gromies out there, if y'all love the taste of that homegrown, that's what I chase. That's what I chase too, you know what I mean? That good taste. That's why we don't do certain things on here, you know what I mean? It's not organic, homie. It's not organic. And a lot of people have been trying to get at me for me trying to spread the word of organic and not spraying and not doing hydro and all that. It's like, bro, you on that side of the fence. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and give grandma that sprayed herb if you want. We ain't on that over here, man. Really mean what I say, really do what I mean. If it ain't organic, panic, baby. That's not the stuff you want. She really got a dang smell to her right now, which is cool. I just really wanted to keep her low key, man. She's exploding. But yeah, that's Flitter Glitter from Exotic Genetics. Insane. All right, on to the next. Man. Oh yeah. This is called Poppin' Fresh from Exotic Genetics. Looking super nice. Super duper nice. Super clean. This is the smaller one. This is the one that stays in the shade. I mean, not right now, but it's the more shaded one. But it's starting to show its flower power, you know what I'm saying? Back up a little bit. Had to tie her up to the fence. A few stakes. Yeah, the color in this one's nice. Poppin' fresh, poppin' fresh. And it's dumb hot outside today. I'm like frying up. But yeah, let me know how y'all like the Poppin' Fresh from Exotic Genetics. I think this one's gonna be a banger, like quality wise. Hopefully they all are, right? Clean her up on the bottom too. Like I said, she's the smallest one out of the bunch. But, well, besides the one in the bucket, right? This one's bigger than the one in the bucket, but the ones on the ground, she's the smallest one. What a specimen, huh? All right, on to the next. What is this one called again? This one's called Dips. It's an Oreo cross or something. I haven't told you guys the crosses yet. My bad. I haven't looked in the on the packets. But just check her out though. Damn. At the bottom, nice and trimmed up. Trying to keep these plants as bushy as I can, short as I can. Stalk's looking nice. You know what I mean? Trying to grow what I can control. We got the mint. We got the lemon thyme. You know, doing this thing. Check out the stalk. Check out the stalk. There's a fat lump right there. Cool little smell coming off it. It's right next to the other plant, so I try to bush it out. You know what I mean? She looks fucking nice. She look nice. Bro, sick. Alright, On to the next, man. Before this phone overheats. Before this damn phone overheats, man. It's already overheated like 3 times. This is the Giggle gas number 2. This one we got under control, man. Putting hella stakes to keep it down. You know, I'm trying to keep the grow chill and personal and not out there for people to see, you feel me? You know what I'm saying when I'm saying it? Probably gonna take all that little grass out. But yeah, we cut her up a little bit. Unnecessary branches. Trimmed her up. Bro, look at her. Alright, my bad, grownies. It's like the 3rd time I had to restart this. Yeah, grownies, phone overheated like 4 times, so it's all good though. But yeah, this is the Giggle gas number 2. Giggle gas number 2 from Exotic Genetics. Like I said, she's looking good. I don't really know what's going on with the 3-leaf thing. Maybe it went into like re-veg or something. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I'm not too sure. Yeah. Just look at her. Freaking huge, man. Like I said before, even if she went into re-veg, I wouldn't care, man, because we're growers, man. We got more. You feel me? So this don't matter really too much, but let's go ahead and look at her in all her glory. Yeah. It's that Giggle gas number 2, pheno 2, Exotic Genetics. But yeah, grummies, Ifyouonlygrew, checking in, checking out. Peace.